Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the VL system, LIS 2 USB LCD. What is included in this package is an external USB cable, an internal USB cable, three 3-pin fan power connection cables, two 4-pin fan power connection cables, a power cable, 4 screws, software and drivers, a user manual, and the LCD. This model supports USB 1.1 or 2. It also supports LCD or VFD, size 16 by 2 or 20 by 2. Of course, it has a liquid crystal display, and this one is the blue negative type. Now, let me just show you here on the back of the unit some of the connections that you'll need to make to get things to work. At the top left right here is where the fans get connected. Fan 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right here is where the power cable goes. This end goes connected into the unit, and then this end gets connected into your power supply. And finally, the USB connection, which is right here. Now you've got two cables. The internal cable, in this case, this end goes plugged into the unit, and then this end goes plugged right into your motherboard. With the external USB cable, well, this end goes plugged into the unit, and then this end goes plugged into your computer's USB port. And when the unit is first powered on, this is what you'll see. Installation of this product is very easy. First of all, plug it into the USB port, install the drivers, and finally install the software. Now this right here is the control center. What you see right here is actually what you see in the LCD. If you right click over this, you've got a number of different options. You can go in here, for example, and change the appearance of the control center by selecting a different skin. I'll do that. Go in here and select a different skin. You can see that the appearance of the control center is now changed. Right click here again and go into preferences. Now this is where you make all the different settings that you want to personalize the LCD. And let me go through some of these preferences very quickly. First of all, the module setup. Well, this is the actual setup of the unit. You can go in here, for example, and select a different COM ports. Further down here, you've got the user message, the starting and ending message. You can type anything you want in there. You can also align this text to center, left, and right. Next down, we have the auto user. Now, right here, where I'm clicking is the actual screens that you create and decide to dump in here. If you select auto user, it will cycle through all these different screens on the LCD. You can set delay for each one of these as well. Next down we have the fan controller. You can adjust the sliders here to adjust the speeds on the fan, save the session, and it will adjust the fans accordingly. Next we have the message alarm. It will display the time. You can display the RT clock. This is the actual speed of the CPU you're using. Also display different CPU and RAM information, and you can integrate this with a software program called Motherboard Monitor. That will show you the system temperatures, voltages, and fan speeds. Also integrated with an audio video program called Winamp, Windows Media Player. You can also display operating system information and as well your email information. Now something very neat here. It's called CG Logo File Builder. It's right here. If I click on this, it will go into an area where you can create your own logos. I'm just going to move this up to the top here so you can see what I'm doing. If, for example, I wanted to create something like a logo, I can do this very easily. And now you can see it appearing here at the very bottom. You also can load logos that they've already created, for example, right here. And again, this will show up in the LCD. And it looks fantastic when it's installed in a case. These modules add a personality to any case. They also can display just about any information. Remember, this one is USB. Very easy to install this. The software is very simple to use. And this one, remember, has a fan controller. You can control up to 4 fans. Overall, this is a kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds, and this has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also, pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also, keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until the next time, take care.